Hello, today I'm going to make a video about the banking sector, and we had a very sharp decline in the stock market in the S&P 500, and we had a bounce again, a pretty strong bounce, but the banking sector and especially Bank of America didn't have such an enthusiastic bounce, and there are some other reasons which indicate that it might go lower, and not just Bank of America but the whole banking sector. And let me just show this. What I did, you have a very high similarity between Bank of America, JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs, because it's banking stocks and they are correlated to some extent, and I plotted the cycle for all three of them, and all three of them show a downtrend or soon a peak. And Bank of America has a pretty long cyclic downtrend ahead. According to this analysis, Goldman Sachs is still in the process of peaking, and JP Morgan would already have peaked, but I think that there will be another panic, and probably because of the treasury market, because when the stocks went down, usually the treasuries should go up. I think that's the common pattern, but this isn't the case anymore. And so at the moment it's especially gold which is going up very strong, and now silver will start to follow. And yeah, also these banking stocks, they have, some of them have a high short position on silver, I think, except JP Morgan, which has a lot of physical silver in the vault. But there are some potential catalysts, and the cycles also indicate that we might see further downside in the banking sector. And also the overall economy, you can see here a composite between S&P 500, DAX and FTSE and other ones, just to visualize the stock market as a whole. And you can see that there is a extremely long cycle. So since I think 2000 was this plotted, and this cycle is entering a downtrend, and I think the sell-off that we saw previously is the start of a bear market, and this bear market might potentially lead to disruptions in the banking sector.